Everyone with a vehicle knows to change the engine oil on a regular basis, but protecting your vehicle and ensuring long-term reliability requires servicing other components as well, like your transmission, differentials, and cooling system. Today's transmissions are smaller and must manage higher horsepower, torque, and heat, all while delivering smooth shifts. Modern designs pack in an enormous number of gears, all protected by fluid that must squeeze through oil passageways as small as the tip of a pen. Plus, transmission fluids act not only as a lubricant and protectant, but also provide hydraulic force and must possess specific characteristics to ensure clutch packs operate properly. The demands on transmission fluid are high, especially in vehicles that tow or haul. AMSOIL OE synthetic transmission fluid delivers excellent wear protection and extreme temperature performance, while resisting the formation of sludge to keep your vehicle's transmission operating properly. Differentials are another often neglected component in pickups. If you tow a trailer or haul heavy loads frequently, especially in warmer temperatures, most manufacturers recommend changing the differential fluid more often, sometimes as often as every 30,000 miles. AMSOIL Severe Gear is designed to resist breakdown from extreme heat, helping prevent viscosity loss and acid, carbon, and varnish formation. Its wax-free formula also improves cold flow properties for better cold weather performance. Cooling system maintenance is also important for proper engine operation. Antifreeze and coolant helps regulate engine temperature by lowering the freeze point of water to protect the engine during the winter. It also raises the boiling point of water to reduce boilover in the summer. Not only does antifreeze keep your engine's temperature in check, it also protects against corrosion that damages metal components and scaling that interferes with heat transfer. AMSOIL offers 3 unique coolants, all of which use diacid technology, meaning both ends of the organic acid are active. This makes them work faster and form stronger bonds for enhanced protection. Maximize the life of your vehicle by maintaining critical components beyond the engine. Get the protection you demand and the performance you deserve